Alcantara and suede are two of the most sought-after materials for automotive seat upholstery, particularly in high-performance and luxury segments. Though they often appear similar in tactile feel and appearance, their composition, production, and long-term performance diverge dramatically. Alcantara is a synthetic microfiber material engineered for consistency, durability, and ease of care, while suede is a natural leather product known for its luxurious texture and organic appeal. In the context of vehicle interiors, selecting between Alcantara and suede is not just a matter of aesthetics. It involves considerations around climate exposure, usage intensity, ergonomic support, and even brand positioning. Automakers like Ferrari, Audi, and Tesla lean into Alcantara for performance applications and environmental considerations, while bespoke luxury brands like Rolls-Royce or Bentley may incorporate real suede for its heritage value and tactile prestige. Alcantara was developed in the 1970s through a collaboration between Japanese and Italian companies, Toray Industries and Alcantara SPA. It is composed of 68% polyester and 32% polyurethane, resulting in a soft, high-performance microfiber. The production process involves advanced spinning and needle punching techniques, creating a uniform, non-woven material that mimics suede's texture but offers much greater consistency and performance. Alcantara is flame retardant, highly customizable, and widely approved for both luxury and motorsport applications. In contrast, suede is a traditional material derived from the underside of animal hides, typically lamb, goat, or calf. It is 100% natural leather, processed by sanding the inner layer of the hide to produce a soft, napped finish. Each piece of suede is unique, reflecting the variability of its organic origin. While this adds character, it also introduces inconsistencies in texture, durability, and ease of use. When comparing durability, Alcantara outperforms suede significantly. It routinely passes wear tests exceeding 40,000 martindale rubs, making it an ideal material for surfaces that experience constant contact, such as seat cushions, steering wheels, and door panels. Its synthetic fibers resist compression and matting over time. Suede, being natural, tends to show wear much faster. Its fibers break down with use, particularly in high-friction areas, leading to shiny spots and uneven surfaces. This makes suede better suited for show cars or applications where visual and tactile appeal take precedence over wear resistance. In terms of grip and comfort, both materials offer a tactile advantage over smooth leather or vinyl, but Alcantara maintains its grippy feel longer under real-world conditions. Its microfiber composition ensures consistent friction, which is why it is widely used in performance cars where driver stability is critical. Suede initially offers excellent grip and softness, but this degrades quickly as body oils and moisture alter the texture. This change can make suede feel slick, especially in sports settings, and uncomfortable in hot or humid climates. Climate resilience further separates the two materials. Alcantara handles UV exposure, moisture, and temperature fluctuations with relative ease. It does not fade quickly in sunlight and is moisture-wicking, helping it remain cool and dry. It is also resistant to mildew and mold. Suede fares poorly in this regard. It fades, hardens, and can even rot when exposed to high moisture or UV for prolonged periods. Suede's natural fibers are highly absorbent, which can be a serious drawback in vehicles driven year-round or in unpredictable climates. From a maintenance standpoint, Alcantara is low effort. It can be cleaned using mild detergents or dedicated microfiber products and resists staining and odors. Suede, on the other hand, is notoriously difficult to care for. It requires constant brushing, protective treatments, and immediate attention to spills. Once soiled or flattened, it is nearly impossible to fully restore without professional intervention. For daily drivers, this high-maintenance burden often outweighs the visual appeal of suede. Environmental sustainability is another critical factor, especially with the automotive industry's increasing focus on ESG commitments. Alcantara has been certified carbon neutral since 2009 and is recyclable, aligning with the values of eco-conscious brands and consumers. The material's production process is tightly controlled to reduce emissions and waste. Suede, while biodegradable, involves livestock farming and chemical tanning, both of which carry heavy environmental costs. As a result, many automakers are moving away from real leather in favor of synthetic, sustainable alternatives like Alcantara. In terms of cost, Alcantara sits between premium synthetic textiles and genuine leathers. It is more expensive than vinyl, but significantly less costly than high-end suede or Napa leather. Its uniform sheets allow for efficient installation and minimal waste. Suede, conversely, is expensive due to its labor-intensive processing and variable yield. Installers often charge a premium due to the difficulty in cutting and fitting natural hides without introducing flaws. Modern vehicle use cases reveal clear patterns in material selection. Sports cars and performance trims often favor Alcantara for its lightweight nature, superior grip, and durability. Electric vehicles utilize Alcantara to align with sustainable brand messaging and futuristic interior aesthetics. Luxury sedans and bespoke builds sometimes incorporate suede to reinforce a heritage-driven tactile richness, particularly when catering to ultra-premium clientele. Off-road and adventure vehicles also lean toward Alcantara due to its resilience to staining and climate variation. Psychologically, suede is perceived as a signifier of old-world luxury, evoking a handcrafted, exclusive appeal. Its tactile warmth resonates with buyers who value authenticity over innovation. Alcantara, by contrast, is associated with precision, performance, and modernity. It has become synonymous with advanced engineering, especially given its visibility in motorsport interiors and concept cars. From a design standpoint, Alcantara also provides a broader palette for customization, ranging from colors to embossing patterns, allowing OEMs and aftermarket builders more creative freedom. In summary, Alcantara offers a compelling balance of technical superiority, environmental responsibility, and aesthetic flexibility. It is ideal for vehicles that require both performance and style with minimal upkeep. Suede remains a viable choice for specialized luxury projects, museum-quality restorations, and low-use vehicles where tactile opulence is prioritized above practicality. For most real-world applications, especially those involving daily driving, performance use, or sustainability requirements, Alcantara is the clear winner.